It's Luke from Tentworld Toowoomba. Just thought I'd show you guys the Zempire Aero TL Light. It is a 2-room tent and I'll show you inside that shortly. But before we start, I just thought I'd very quickly talk about pumps when you are pumping these up, seeing as they are an air tent. This is the pump it comes with. So this is a double action pump, which means it will put air in when you pull out and push in. Okay. Now while that sounds like a great idea, they can be a little bit harder on you. So what I do recommend is the big Zempire Hurricane. It has 2 actions, so I'll show you that more in detail shortly, but briefly, that's a high volume mode, that's a high pressure mode, which we'll go into again shortly. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll pump up this tent to give you some an indication of how these go up. Now, all I've done at this stage is get it out of the bag and peg out the 4 corners and 2 back ropes. Alright, that's all I've done at this stage. So nice and easy. Go along and set your valves. Alright, I'll give you a close up of that. Okay, great. Pop them in nice and firm. High volume mode to start. Switching over to high pressure mode. Just to get that last little pump in the air. There is a gauge. I want it up to about 9 or 10. Give it a bit of a squeeze. Back over to high volume. High pressure. Rinse and repeat. The great thing about air tents, no poles to put in, no poles to take out. Pumping up, simple as that. No poles to break, no poles to put in, no poles to get lost. Now I'll take you a bit of a walk through the tent. So the tent is 2 meters and 5 internally at its maximum height, 1.65 at the back, but that's where you're going to be sleeping, so you don't need that sort of height there. So 2.25 is the total height of the tent if you are trying to fit it under something. Look, it is a very comfortable 21 kilos, so nice and easy to move around. Look, you'd easily fit 5 people in this tent. You could fit a queen in the back room and quite comfortably fit 3 kids in that front room. It does come with a 2-year warranty, and you've also got a 4,000 water head rating. So there's your dimensions there for your rooms. Again, you can take out that back room and make it one big open space. Bearing in mind that this area here is your vestibule at the front, so that is not a sleeping area. That's for things like coolers and eskies and general gear.